everyone, today I'm going to color Peppa Pig and her family. Let's color their face. Look at all of them, they're so happy. Peppa Pig and George are falling on the floor laughing. Look at Peppa Pig, he's so happy. Let's color their mouth pink. Peppa Pig is wearing glasses. I'm going to color Peppa's dress red. Let's color Mummy Pig's dress purple. George is wearing green clothes. I will color Peppa Pig's clothes orange. Look at the happy Peppa Pig family. Bye bye, see you next time.